Dear students, today we are going to discuss about the concept of acid-base reactions. An acid-base reaction is a chemical reaction that occurs between an acid and a base. It can be used to determine pH. Several theoretical frameworks provide alternative conceptions of the reaction mechanisms and their application in solving related problems. These are called the acid-base theories. So, dear students, before going to visit the acid-base reaction, first let us recall some of the theories about acid and bases. Okay, so dear students, let's go to Arrhenius' definition for acid and base. The first modern definition of acids and bases in molecular terms was devised by Arrhenius. According to Arrhenius, an acid is a substance that dissociates in water to form hydrogen ions. That is, an acid increases the concentration of H plus ions in an aqueous solution. This causes the protonation of water or the creation of the hydronium ion. Thus, in modern times, the symbol H plus is interpreted as a shorthand for H3O plus. Because it is known that the bare proton doesn't exist as a free species in aqueous solution. And according to Arrhenius concept, what is called a base? According to Arrhenius, a base is a substance that dissociates in water to form hydroxide ions. That is, a base increases the concentration of OH minus in an aqueous solution. So, the Arrhenius definitions of acidity and alkalinity are restricted to aqueous solutions, and under this definition, pure sulfuric acid and hydrochloric acid dissolved in toluene are not acidic, and molten sodium hydroxide and solutions of calcium amide in liquid ammonia are not alkaline. Okay, so these drawbacks led to the development of the Lowry-Bronsted concept of acid and bases. Okay, according to Lowry-Bronsted concept, the removal of hydrogen ion from an acid produces its conjugate base. Okay, the removal of hydrogen ion from the acid and its addition to the base. This is called acid-base reaction. But what is Lowry-Bronsted concept? According to Lowry-Bronsted, an acid is a substance that liberates H plus, and base is a substance which liberates OH minus. So, apart from Lowry-Bronsted concept, there are more concepts on acid-base theory. Then the third one is Lewis definition. So, according to Lewis definition, an acid is a substance which is able to get an electron pair, but a base is a substance which is ready to donate the electron pair. So, likewise, there is a Lux-Flood concept of acid-base system, acid-base concept, and so on. Okay, so my dear students, now we are going to deal with the acid-base reactions. Okay, an acid-base reaction is otherwise called neutralization reactions in chemistry. An acid-alkali reaction is a special case of an acid-base reaction where the base used is also an alkali. When an acid reacts with an alkali salt, a metal hydroxide, the product is a metal salt and water. Acid alkali reactions are also known as neutralization reactions. So, in general, acid alkali reactions are simplified into the reaction OH minus and the reaction between OH minus and H plus, which are giving H2O. Acids are in general pure substance that contain H plus and cause them to be produced in solutions. Hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid are common examples. In water, these break apart into ions. How? HCl will liberate H plus and Cl minus. H2SO4 will liberate H plus and HSO4 minus. Okay, likewise, the alkali breaks apart in water and yielding the dissolved hydroxide ions. NaOH gives Na plus and OH minus.